Hey guys, I'm here with my buddy Top Hat Plus. Just picked up a brand new 2019 F150 XLT Sport. It's got the 2.7 EcoBoost and the 10-speed auto, and the truck literally has 30 kilometers on. Those were not mine, they came from the dealership, so I think I've put about 5K on, but my initial impressions are that this is an extremely smooth driving truck. I've driven a lot of pickup trucks all the way through F150s, Chevys, all the way up to the top kicks, dump trucks, you name it. And not trying to say that I'm an expert in the field at all, but I've driven a lot of vehicles, and the reason why I went with this F150 was just value. The inside's kind of immaculate. I love it. It's got all the creature comforts that I was after, and it's got the ride I'm after. And I've got a daughter on the way, so back seat, don't know if Bob can get a shot from the inside, but it'll show up on one of his videos. Just back seat is ginormous. There's more than enough room for a family in here, family of 4, family of 5, you name it. But the feel of the truck, it's got a nice sporty ride to it. It's got lots of punch for a 2.7. You know, it's got that twin turbo V6. And it's gonna do everything I need it to. It's good to tow 7,500 pounds. And yeah, just initial impressions are super impressed. Really happy with it. And yeah, lots more to come on Bob's channel. Check him out.